it's me, Camilla. Today I'm going to be doing something different today. Today I'm going to be doing like a cooking show, but it's going to be on YouTube. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to make when I decide because I'm just starting this right now. Okay. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, guys. I figured out what I'm going to make, and I'm going to make a fruit salad, but I'm also going to do a special ingredient and also probably make some dessert. Okay, guys. I'll see you when I get all my ingredients. Bye. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to be cutting this banana. I'm going to peel it. That. Oops. I already messed it up. Great, Camilla. I already messed it up. Already messed it up. Okay, I'm gonna do it with this. Okay, got a banana. Almost, actually. Okay, then I'm gonna have to peel this since I already messed it up.
She was 50-year-old. Jose Flores lost his son this morning.
Okay.
15-year-old Milo Flores.
There are my bananas. I'm gonna put them one by one in the bowl.
Right around 5 o'clock in the morning, I was awakened by a sound that sounded like a firecracker. Jose tells me he ran to the patio and found his son slumped over in this chair. My son was struggling to breathe.
Sorry guys, my mom's watching the news. I listen to the news. I don't like it. As I have something sad, I'm just gonna eat this now.
Police say this young man, 18-year-old Logan Anderson,
I'm gonna throw this away.
His friend was trying to run like crazy.
Okay.
And I asked him,
Come on guys, this is me. Clean this up. Okay guys, I'm now done with this. But I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and move on to the dessert.
She was. And God bless her.
I'm gonna get my ingredients for dessert. Bye. Okay, I got my ingredients for dessert. This and this. So first thing, you just open this. This is like a homemade, so if you buy these and you buy this, it'll be really awesome. And remember, don't do this because, it doesn't work like that. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up so y'all can see. There. Wait, hold on, a little more. Perfect. It's like coffee. My mom drinks coffee a lot. It stinks up the whole house. Like one time when my dad was sick, he actually what? When we were in his room and my dad was sick, my mom was drinking coffee. Guess what? It stuck up the whole house. I was like, okay, first thing, that's not in my imagination or it's in real life. And it was actually in real life. I just like to like this because okay, just let me clean this up and I'll be back. Okay, never mind that. My mom doesn't want to try it, but she'll try it after. I'm not gonna be recording then, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna start with this, not the dessert. This. I should have got a fork. I love the bananas. I love the cherries. Oh my God. These have seeds. We'll talk more about that coming up in the forecast in just a bit. All right, David. Thanks a lot. Let's see how the community is Tuesday afternoon. And then
Yeah, Elise and Eric, not a good way to start rush hour. We're seeing our normal slowdowns on the west and the southwest freeway, but take a
Now
look at the
Peach.
north freeway. If you're heading up to the Spring and the Woodlands area, you're going to be sitting for a while if you try to take
Okay,
I-45
I'm gonna do this one awesome.
This is a major accident.
Now for the dessert.
Is able to get by, and the backup is pretty terrible. If I can take you to that camera, you're going to see a backup all the way past the North Loop as you head
Okay, does
outbound
this have
tonight. So I'm going to go to your drive times right now because your best bet, if you have an easy pass, is to take the Hardy Toll Road. Many will want
Yum.
taking the East Test.
I love it.
That big mess because
My mom will hear it now. She'll love this too.
Woodlands Parkway. Coming up, we've got some other incidents going on. I'll let you know about. Back to you.
Rebecca, thanks a lot.
Okay. I'm gonna clean this all up and save some for my mom. But I'm not gonna be recording then. Okay, guys. That was my cooking show. There's gonna be lots more, and probably like next week or today. Well, whenever you see it, that's gonna be my cooking show. Some of my videos are gonna be cooking shows, and some videos are not. Probably like, I don't know. So for next time, if you forgot what the question was, it was what is your favorite food or sport or both? My favorite food is actually peaches, and dessert, ice cream. I love ice cream, and my favorite sport is volleyball and t-ball. Because when I was little, I played t-ball, but not volleyball. I still like volleyball because I'm going to be in volleyball. So yeah. So that's the question. Answer in a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I love food.